Chief Meteorologist George Lessons joins me now from the weather deck. What's going on out there? Every time I go outside, it's doing something different, George. I can't keep up.
It's been fairly quiet here today, thank goodness. But
Yes.
There's a definite chill in the air out here on the weather deck.
For sure.
And it's all glazed over with ice. It's pretty much the same scenario throughout much of West Michigan. At least the area roads are better than they have been in about the past 24 hours. What's coming up for the next 24? Well, the 13 weather ball is blinking bright tonight. We have a little round of some light snow in sight, and that will affect mainly the northern counties overnight. Nothing that you can't handle, and this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. A few low impact events over the next several days. Nothing like what we saw starting Friday night through very early this morning. Toward the next weekend, though, we have a higher impact system coming in. It's leaning a little bit more towards snow this time around, and that would start late Friday, especially Friday night through all day Saturday. And then much colder air, a pattern-changing storm system will change us over to lake effect snow starting on Sunday. And man, we've got some really cold weather coming up after that. Temperatures tonight are going to drop down into the mid-20s, and then we'll be back up to low 30s by daybreak and up to 36 in the afternoon. Again, most of our precipitation will be off to the north tonight and then again late tomorrow night. It's coming out of this system, which is heading in this direction, so we'll see that come on through, and there'll be like one or two more of those during the middle part of the week before that big storm system moves on in. You can see where that is. It's a little dip in the jet stream. That's coming up through. On Tuesday, we've got that second one coming through. And then it quiets down on Wednesday. We get a little bit of sunshine. And then later on in the week, big storm system coming out of the southwest, right in through here, starts to push on in through Saturday night. And that's going to bring us our snow for Friday night through Saturday. And then a system coming down from the northwest, reinforcing some colder air. Remember, for the last couple of weeks, the winds have been coming out of the southwest. Now they're going to be coming out of the west and northwest, out of Canada. So we're going to cool down after next weekend. You can see that in our extended week 3 through 4 temperature outlook. Comes out every Friday. A good portion of the country is going to see colder than average temperatures. In fact, we're into the highest probability for that. The average highs are in the low 30s, so we may only be in the 20s after having a very mild last 6 weeks. And with that northwest flow, other than lake effect snow, we don't have any real big system snows coming in our direction. That would be right in through here. And as that jet stream dips on through here, it'll be coming in off the Gulf. So we have a higher chance of seeing lower than average amounts of precipitation. That would be from system storms. And we may catch a lot of lake effect with that. Only a few snow showers expected overnight tonight. Most of them will be from Muskegon northward, and then during the day tomorrow we'll see a few of those, especially early in the day, with highs in the mid and upper 30s to near 40 degrees in Muskegon and Holland. Up north, after a little bit of light snow up here tonight, there'll be a few lingering snow showers tomorrow. Highs in the upper 30s, and from Grand Rapids southward, we're looking at a little bit of light snow flurries here during the day tomorrow. Not much tonight. Most of that will be off to the north. Look at these highs, upper 30s to low 40s. Again, our average highs are in the low 30s. 13 on your side forecast. Upper 30s tomorrow, low 40s on Tuesday, and still upper 30s on Wednesday. And as we get into the latter part of the week, here comes that next major system for next weekend. We talked about this last weekend being bad, and this weekend might also be a little on the challenging side. And then we will see our temperatures cool off into the low and mid-20s for the early part of the following week. So maybe winter is about ready to come back here in West Michigan.
We're seeing a little bit of everything. It seems like, they're trying to damper on the weekend party. We like to have a good time on the weekend, and that's when the storms are coming to get us.
Yeah, timing is everything, isn't it?
Timing is certainly everything. All right, well, we're certainly glad that you're here with us tonight, George. We'll talk to you in just a little bit.